drop top time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 2002 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 convertible. Navy blue metallic, neutral leather interior. Original mile car, clean Carfax confirming miles at 46,901 in the odometer right now. Tried and true 5.7 liter LS1 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. We'll take a look at the front fascia on this one. Also nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, heat blows hot. Check out all the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, top up, top down. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Now, of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. A little change up on the wheels. Riding on a C5 style Corvette wheel. Falcon radial tires. Let's take a look down this passenger side. One of those cars, get in, drive it, turn the key, go have some fun. There's a little closer look at the neutral leather bucket seats up front, center console. There has been a Pioneer aftermarket stereo installed, and I had that working with the Bluetooth audio connected, just so you're aware of that. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. So you get a good look at the rear of the car. Dual exhaust. We'll start it up, let you hear it run. This one's got a little rumble to it. Stick around to the very end of the video. I'll show you the top functioning, going up and going down. And Jason will also take this one for a drive. But first, if you want to see those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. And again, you'll be able to check out the underside, the engine bay, interior, trunk, convertible top close-ups. This does have an SLP intake and exhaust. Wanted to mention too, so that's going to give us a little throaty exhaust note. Brakes are 100% in the front, 80% in the rear, technician also noted. A little bit of wear on the top, and again, we're going to take a little closer look at that here in just a bit. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like Camaros, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what year you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. We have some Gen 1 Camaros in at the moment. And then, of course, back through the later models, including this 2002. And you can see the passenger side's not full of nicks, scratches. There's a couple real small, if I can get them to show up or not. Did notice just a couple real small dings around that gas cap. There's kind of one right there. Again, that's being pretty fussy. You can see paint has a nice shine to it. Got 2+2 seating. Power mirrors, power locks, power windows. Of course, some more modern equipment. Power seat over here on the driver's side. And you can see, seat's in nice shape considering this car's what, 23 years old now. All right, let's fire this up. We're going to check out the exact miles. All right, see the exact miles, 46,901. No check engine light, service engine soon, anything like that. Dash looks good. One crack here, sorry. One crack above the speedo. Other than that, dash looking good. I did mention Pioneer aftermarket stereo. I did have that working with the Bluetooth audio connected via my phone. Of course, power top. Let's listen to this. good. Like I said, SLP intake and exhaust on that LS1 5.7 liter. This one's got a little rumble to it. All right, I'm gonna pop the hood. Let's peek underneath there and see what's going on. There's a good look at the underside of the hood and engine bay. There's the intake I was talking about. And once again, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold, heat blows hot. Looks good underneath there, sounds pretty healthy too. All right, let me go ahead and pause this a second. I want to get my tripod set up, and we'll check out this convertible top function and take a peek at the condition. And the convertible top up and latched. You can see power top functions as it should. Nice tight fit above the windshield, latched down nicely. Side glass also rolled that up. Nice fit there. Now I mentioned a little bit of wear. Got a spot up here. The neutral colored canvas, fabric top. If you need it to keep you out of the sun, keep you dry in a brief shower, it's not going to have any issues there. Just a couple little wear spots. And let's face it, how much are you going to have the top up on this car? But if you need be, it'll work. Side glass passenger side, also nice fit. All right, I did want to point out one spot on this hood too. It's just kind of a scuff in the clear right in that area there. You can kind of see it does show up. Wanted to point that out. I'm also going to show you the top going back down. 2002 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 convertible, original mile car. Number to call 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pics. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And again, Jason's going to take you for a drive at the very end of this video. I'll show you the top going down quick, and we'll get to the driving part.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2002 Chevrolet Camaro. This is a convertible, and we do have the top up today. This is an automatic on the center console. Sounds really good. This car's got a little throat to the exhaust. And I have a little bit of wind noise around that door seal, not too excessive. Now the oil pressure is showing over 40 and the temperature is a quarter of the way up the gauge. Our tachometer and speedometer are working as they should, and the battery's charging over 14 volts. Fuel gauge working, showing 3/4 of a tank. This car is showing less than 50,000 miles, which is a great thing to have. Now we do have a big crack right in the top of the dash there, but honestly, it's not in my line of sight with the steering wheel. The AC's blowing cold. Comfortable bucket seats in this Camaro. Brakes nice and smooth. Corners as it should for a Camaro, and it stays pretty flat in the corners. And as you can tell, the kickdown does work on that automatic transmission. The acceleration is very good and the sound is great. Take a look at all the pictures of this Camaro at uniqueclassiccars.com.